T-Mobile Unlock Error Code 14, often seen as server timeout, cache, and retry, occurs when unlocking your T-Mobile phone for use on other networks. This indicates a temporary problem on T-Mobile's servers. It means the unlock request timed out, or there's a conflict with stored data. In 2025, T-Mobile has improved its unlock process, reducing the error by 30%. This is often due to network congestion or outdated information stored in your browser or app cache. This error stems from server-side issues, not user error. Server timeout happens when T-Mobile servers fail to process the request in time. Cache conflicts involve outdated data in your browser or app. First, check your phone's unlock eligibility on T-Mobile's website and ensure your account is in good standing. Clear your browser or app cache to remove old data that may cause conflicts. Wait 24 to 48 hours before retrying to avoid server overload. For persistent issues, contact T-Mobile support for direct assistance. Some users find success using a VPN to bypass regional server issues, but this is not officially recommended by T-Mobile. Remember, patience is key, as this error is often temporary. If issues persist, T-Mobile has integrated error-specific troubleshooting guides on their support site, including automated retries and cache clearing steps. In many cases, retrying after a 24-hour wait can resolve the issue.